Good morning friends, welcome to our channel TDS News. I am here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Great relief in teachers and Hemant Soren government from stay of Supreme Court on the decision of Jharkhand High Court celebrating in Ranchi. The Supreme Court of the country has given huge relief to Hemant Soren government of and about 18,000 teachers. The Supreme Court on Wednesday stayed the Jharkhand High Court decision on September 21, 2020, repealing the Jharkhand government's planning policy and prohibiting the teacher reinstatement process. After this decision, a large number of teachers reached Ranchi's Morabadi ground and celebrated each other by feeding them sweets. Congress nominee from Barmo nominated Kumar Mangal said priority to pursue 30 years of development work of father. On Wednesday, Congress candidate Kumar Mangal alias Anup Singh filed his nomination form in the sub-division office of Tenangat before the election officer Anant Kumar for the by-election in Barmo Assembly constituency. After filling the nomination, Congress candidate Kumar Mangal, while talking to the journalist, said that in this by-election, our issue will be about the work done by Rajendra Babu for 30 years and will go to the Railway Board's big announcement. 392 new trains will run across the country, including Jharkhand, Bihar from October 20. You can now go to your home from any corner of the country during the festive season. Railway Board has announced to run 392 new trains from October 20 for different provisions in the country, including Jharkhand, Bihar. According to their respective railway zones, the train has also fixed the timetable. All these trains running between Durga Puja to Chhath will be special trains. Railway Board has announced that these trains will run as festive special trains between October 20 to November 30. The board released the full list of trains. Statewide Chakka Jam touched procession on eve of October 15, demanding implementation of Sarna Code. The Central Sarna Committee and All Indian Tribal Development Council has announced a statewide Chakka Jam on October 15, 2020. On this, a touch profession was taken out on the eve of October 14, 2020. During this, the Central President of Central Sarna Committee, Fulchand Tirke, said that there will be a jam on the whole state on Thursday. Millions of rupees of MLA fund have been trapped due to the DC bill. The amount is laying in the treasury. More than 27 crores of MLA fund are laying in the treasury in Dhanbad district due to more than 70% DC bill pending. The work of this fund has been closed for more than a year. All the MLAs of Jharkhand get rupees 4 crore per year in the MLA fund. Under this account, the scheme and the agency are selected by the legislators of the concerned area. The MLA selects the schemes and sends them to the Deputy Development Commissioner officer. Preparation for installation of smart meters in the houses of electricity consumers of Jharkhand. Electricity will be cut off on not depositing bills. Preparations are being made to install smart meters in the homes of electricity consumers of Jharkhand. The work of charging the meter will start from December. Jharkhand Electricity Distribution Corporation has started preparation. Tenders will be invited to install smart meters from companies in October. 743 schools in the state have not given any report of books distribution. Now, actions will be taken. 743 schools in the state have not reported book distribution. Instruction for distribution of books were issued by the Education Department in May itself. Even after this, these schools have not given the report. The Director of Primary Education has now written a letter to the Deputy Commissioner of the district concerned to take action in this regard. 4 people, including 3 members of the same family, died in Garhwa due to poisonous gas from the toilet tank. 4 people of the same family died while cleaning a toilet tank in Jharkhand. The case is of Domar Sota village in Khandi block of Garhwa district. On Wednesday, these 4 people fainted while opening the shuttering of the toilet tank. They were rushed to Majiwara Referral Hospital while Dr. Shamsher Singh declared them all dead after examining. Angry people blocked the Majiwaran Kandi main road with the death of 4 people. engineer, yet DPR is marking consultant. In the Rural Development Special Division, the practice of getting DPR detailed project report from a consultant is underway. That is why the responsibility of preparing the DPR of Chief Minister Gram Setu Yojana has also been given to the consultant. This is the situation when a large number of engineers are present in the department who are capable of making a DPR of any scheme. In Chitarpur murder case, DSP made a notice in the house of the accused by playing drums and will be attached for not surrender. Police pasted the advertisement in the house of the accused of murder in Chitarpur of Rajrappa police station area. During this, he has been instructed to surrender. Warning has been given to warrant attached if not surrendered. The police also COVID-19 updates. The number of COVID-19 investigation in India has crossed the 9 crore mark. It is known that during the last 24 hours, more than 11,45,000 samples of COVID-19 were tested. In the last 24 hours, more than 74,000 COVID-19 patients have been recovered. With this, more than 63 lakh people have been cured of corona infection so far. At the same time, the percentage of people recovering from COVID-19 is now 87.5%. At present, treatment of 8,26,000 patients is going on in the country. That is, the number of COVID-19 infected people is now only 11.42%. At the same time, in the last 24 hours, 63 weather updates. In Ranchi, temperature will almost be 29 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Fuel prices. Petrol up to rupees 80.73 and diesel up to rupees 74.58 with a stability. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.